British customer. He is a very big famous food factory locally in England, in the south of the England. So you can see for easy moving, we have the motor lifting lever guardrail on each top of the corresponding blending tanks, so that whenever he want a cleaning or whenever he has a daily maintenance request on the motor, mixing motor, he can directly hook the motor on top. We have the hook. Just connect the hooks and the entire motors will be lifted automatically. No need to spend the money to invite for the forklift car for easy maintenance. Exactly considered design for my existing tanks. 3-ton, 5-ton, 1 tank, number 2, number 3, number 4. You can see the corresponding CIP cleaning. 3-ton tanks, 5-ton tanks, F1, F2, F3, F4. This is the 3 tanks for acid, alkaline, hot water, corresponding. So this is a customized OEM order. Go back to the menu page. Alarm system. If there is something, any valves, any low liquid is a problem, it will just automatically showing the alarm screen. You can see here. This is the PLC, the program mode. You can see Siemens. Our engineer now is still doing the final adjusting. You can see here. Inside, electric components, pneumatic liquid components. If you want, we can update from Delixi to Schneider. Depends to your budget. This is the pannier. Siemens PLC HMI control with the alarming and with the power light and the emergency stop. If anything happens, you want to pressing. Once a time pressing, inside system or stop.